Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph basically, and they've got this shine or a sheen to their handlebars to make it look more realistic, and he wants it to do it on this vector like he has here. Pretty easy. Let's make it so his item is, he's working in millimeters. I think he's out of Australia. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 260. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of this guy and move it over. Then I'm going to take this one. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to left click, right click. And I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour 2.5 millimeters. That's almost perfect, I think. Now what we need to do, well, we could probably be the best would be to break the contour apart. Go up to object, break the contour apart so that it would be separated. Then he's going to have something in the middle anyway. So we're going to draw something in the middle. You could probably, one thing you could do is just take a rectangle, get it kind of in the middle. And then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on white, and we're going to go right there to that handlebar and nudge it over. Now, that doesn't look like much, but one of them is already selected. I'm going to shift select the other one. I'm going to go to object and do group it together. Then I'm going to go to effects and blur, and I'm going to Gaussian blur. And then this is where you would pick on how much you want. You know, do you want a little bit more blur? Do you want a little less blur? One thing I should have done or could have done would have made the, maybe this a little bit more symmetrical, or not symmetrical, but even throughout. And I might even think of another way and make a second video on how you could do that. But I think that looks pretty good right there, because the time you put, I mean, you know, stuff facing straight on might be have a little bit more shine than the other anyway. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.